I would definitely recommend Yard Direct to other installers, just for the sheer fact that one phone call can make life so much easier for you with regards to ordering and obtaining products. My name's Steve Kane from NERS Limited, based in the northeast of England. What we're doing today, we've got a job in Tresley Street in County Durham, where the guy, he's never had a skylight in the roof at all. So what we're doing is starting from scratch, cutting a hole, framing out and installing a new Velux window. With Yard, we came across them from the internet, so I made a phone call, and then from there it's just escalated. This was over a number of years ago. We've got a good relationship with them. The guys up there, they know me, you know, as soon as my number comes in, they seem to pick up, they know who's phoning straight away. And then from then, it's just any advice, any products, give them the gist of it, and then can do the rest for us. It's just the level of service with them. As I said, one phone call and the depth of knowledge that they have on all the products. It's great. With the future, yeah, long may it continue. You know, this level of service that's been obtained from them is great.